Okay, great. Let's do a bit more customizing. If we scroll down, we will see that there is a photo and we're going to duplicate the page. Anything you're copying, duplicate. Canva hack, I'll say it 50 times. Okay, we're just clicking on that photo. We're going to go and have a look at photos. That's down on the left-hand side there. And we're going to search feminine tech, because I searched masculine tech for this one. Now, everything I'm doing is in a free Canva account, not the Pro. So all the little stars there, little golden little, crowns you see there, they're all for premium Canva Pro. So we just want to use a free, just show that you can use free photos, free fonts, free backgrounds, anything like that. Okay, we're clicking down. Okay, that's good. We'll put that on there. So just drag, and then we'll change the back, the color, and we just got through there. See, photo colors, it chooses all the different photos, different colors in the photo, which is fabulous. So just choosing that. That looks okay. But we'll sort of go with something a bit more, yeah, we'll go with that. Okay, now we're going to change our little dots here, which is easy. We'll just touch on whichever. We want to change that first color there. Let's make that the dark blue. Yep. Go to the brown, we'll make that brown. And then onto the dark gray, we'll make the lighter blue. Okay, and it's really, really quick, simple, customized it.